Hello students, welcome to West Bengal English Medium Guide. Today I am going to give you the question answers, exercise question answers from chapter 4 Heat, class 7 Physical Science, West Bengal Board. So let's start. Number A, choose the correct option. Number 1, mercury is a good conductor of heat. So among these three options, the number A is the answer. Number 2, temperature is the measure of degree of hotness or coldness of a body. Number 3, the range of laboratory thermometer is minus 10 degrees centigrade to 110 degrees centigrade. Option A. Number 4, the process of transfer of heat from the hotter end to the colder end of metal rod is called conduction. Option A. Number 5, liquids and gases transfer heat by convection. So answer B. Next, B, fill in the blanks. Number 1, heat is a form of energy. Number 2, in coastal areas, the flow of air from sea to land is called land breeze. Number 3, in thermos flask, heat transfer is prevented by using convection and conduction. Number 4, in Fahrenheit scale, the freezing point of water is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, number 5, a clinical thermometer is ranged from 35 degrees centigrade to 42 degrees centigrade. Okay, next, number C, true or false. Number 1, heat of the sun reaches to the earth by conduction. False. Number 2, the boiling point of water is 100 degree Fahrenheit. False. Number 3, thermometer is a device used to measure both temperature and pressure. False. Number 4, solids expand on heating. True. Number 5, mercury is used in clinical thermometer. True. Number D, match. Number 1, heat matched with C, form of energy. Temperature. Number 2, matched with D, degree of hotness. 3, radiation matched with E, heat from the sun to the earth. Number 4, convection matched with B, sea breeze. Number 5, metals matched with A, good conductors. Next, question answer part. Number E, right answers in short. Number 1, what is atmosphere? A measure of cold or hot, often measurable with a thermometer, is called temperature. Number 2, what is the SI unit of temperature? Kelvin, degree Kelvin. Number 3, give two differences between a clinical and a laboratory thermometer. So number 1, under clinical thermometer, it is used to measure the temperature of human body only. Number 1, under laboratory thermometer, it is used to measure the temperature of different objects in laboratory and factories. Number 2, it is small construction near the mercury bulb. Number 2, there usually it does not have any construction. Number 4, name 3 methods of heat transfer: conduction, convection, radiation. Number 5, give 2 real life examples of expansion in solids on heating. Number 1, thermal expansion of railway tracks in summer. Number 2, thermal expansion of metallic joints in a bridge. Number 8, write answers in detail. Number 1, explain how a thermos flask helps to keep the hot liquids hot and cold liquids cool. A thermos flask or thermos is also called a vacuum flask. It is designed in a way to minimize transfer of heat by conduction, convection and radiation. The plastic lid is an insulator and the screw top prevents convection current escaping from the flask. There is a vacuum between 2 layers of glass or steel which prevents heat leaving or entering by conduction. The walls have silvery surfaces which prevent heat leaving or entering by radiation. Through this way, hot things can be hot and cold things can be cooled. Number 2, what is a digital thermometer? How is it different from a mercury thermometer? Digital thermometer is lightweight and so easy to carry, and reading is automatically displayed as a number, eliminating any human error in reading temperature. Main difference is that digital thermometer do not contain any toxic mercury. Number 3, explain all the three thermometer scales along with the method of conversion of one scale to another. Three kinds of temperature scales are majorly used: degree Fahrenheit, degree Celsius, and Kelvin scale, Celsius scale. In the degree Celsius scale, the lower fixed point is taken as 0 degree centigrade. At this temperature, pure water freezes at sea level, while the upper fixed point is taken as 100 degree centigrade, at which pure water boils at sea level. The entire scale is divided into 100 equal divisions, and each division is called 1 degree. In this scale, the unit measured temperature is degree Celsius, and the lower fixed point 0 degree centigrade represents the freezing point of pure water, and the upper fixed point 100 degree centigrade represents the boiling point of pure water. The normal human body temperature is 37 degree centigrade. Fahrenheit scale. According to this scale, the temperature of an object can be measured in terms of degree Fahrenheit. The lower fixed point of the scale is 32 degree Fahrenheit, at which pure water freezes, and upper fixed point is 212 degree Fahrenheit, at which pure water boils. The entire scale is divided into 180 equal divisions, and each division is called 1 degree Fahrenheit. The normal human body temperature was marked at 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Kelvin scale. In this scale, 273.15 K is taken as the freezing point of water, and 373.15 K is taken as the boiling point of water. The number of division between the freezing point and boiling point of water is 100, and each division is 1 Kelvin. Kelvin is also the SI unit for measurement of temperature. Number 4, differentiate among the expansion by heating in different states of matter. Solid. When heated, the particles vibrate more vigorously. This increased vibration causes them to move slightly further apart, leading to a small increase in volume. Liquid. When heated, the particles move more rapidly, increasing the average distance between them. This results in a more noticeable expansion than in solids. Gases. When heated, the particles move much faster and further apart. This causes a significant increase in volume even with a small temperature increase. Number 5. Explain land breeze and sea breeze with the help of suitable diagram. During the day, land gets hotter than water, so the hot air above the land rises up. As a result, the comparatively cooler air over the sea flows towards the land to take its place. This gives rise to sea breeze. In the evening, the land cools rapidly, but the sea remains comparatively warm. The warm air rises over the water, and comparatively cooler air over the land flows towards the sea to take its place. This is known as land breeze. So you can get the picture from the book here. Okay, and the page number is number 56. Number G. Explain why. Number 1. Water in a vessel gets heated more quickly when heat is applied at the bottom of the vessel than when it is heated at the top. The primary reason is water heats up more quickly when heated from the bottom is due to convection currents. In case of water in a vessel, when the bottom is heated, the water nearer the bottom becomes warmer and less dense. This warmer water rises to the surface, displacing the cooler water at the top. This process creates a circular current, a convection current. Number 2, it is more comfortable to wear white or light colored clothes in summer and dark colored clothes colored clothes in winter. Black and dark colored objects tend to absorb almost all the heat energy that falls on them. White objects, on the other hand, reflect heat energy. That is why light colored clothes are preferred on a hot sunny day rather than dark colored ones. Number 3. Mercury level rises when a thermometer gets in touch with hot objects. Answer. Mercury is sensitive to heat and expands even at a slight increase in temperature. That's why it is used in thermometer. Next, number each numerical section. Number 1, convert the following. Number 8, 24 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. So, here is the rule. We have to apply the rule. At first, C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. So, in the place of Celsius, we should write the value, that is 24. So, 24 by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. So, here 24 should be multiplied by 9. Cross multiplication, 24 into 9 by 5, and 32 has changed its place from right side to left side. So, minus becomes plus. So, plus 32. Okay. So, we got from here 24 into 9 by 5. We got the result 43.2 plus 32. So, the result of Fahrenheit, what is the result? So, 75.2 degree. Next, number B, 117 degrees centigrade to Celsius to Kelvin. We know that 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 273 kelvins. Okay, so 117 plus 273 is equal to 390 Kelvin. Number 2, Shifa is suffering from fever. Her mother checked her body temperature using a Fahrenheit thermometer. Her body temperature is 8 degrees more than the normal body temperature. Can you calculate her body temperature in degrees Celsius? So, to solve this question, we should know the normal temperature of a human body in Fahrenheit scale, that is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So, her body temperature is 8 degree more than that the normal body temperature. So, here is mentioned more. So, we should add this two number, 98.6 plus 8, that is 106.6 degree Fahrenheit. So, we got the Fahrenheit scale, okay, Fahrenheit temperature. So, we should convert Fahrenheit into Celsius. So, C by 5, what is the rule? I mentioned before that C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. Okay, so C by 5, what is the result of subtraction? That is 74.6 by 9. So, C is equal to, here 5 should be 5 should be multiplied by 74.6, that is 373 by 9. Okay, so we should reduce this to number and we got 41 as a result. Number 3, Parvinder wants to bake a cake for his sister's birthday. He got a recipe from a food magazine which recommends to bake the cake between 340 degree Fahrenheit to 350 degree Fahrenheit to get good result. However, his oven has temperature scale in Celsius. At what temperature range should be baked the cake to get the best result? So now we have to find the temperature range, that means the difference between 350 to 340, that is 10 degree Fahrenheit. It is the temperature range in Fahrenheit. Okay, now we should convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. The rule is C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. You can write the rule again. Okay, so in the place of F, what is the value of F? Fahrenheit 350. So 350 minus 32 by 9. Now 5 should be multiplied by both this subtraction. Okay, 5 cross multiplication. So 5 into 350 minus 32 by 9 and 5 into the result of subtraction 318 by 9, and here is the result 176.6 degrees Celsius. Now we will find out 340 degree Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, what is the result? Let's see. So C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9, and here the Fahrenheit value was 350 and here is the value is 340. So 340 minus 32 by 9. And now 5 should be multiplied by this part. Okay. So 5 into 340 minus 32 by 9. So here is the result 171.1 degree Celsius. Now we again try to find out the range of temperature. In Fahrenheit we got the result 10 degree Fahrenheit, and now we will subtract this both number to get the result. So 176.6 degrees Celsius minus 171.1 degrees Celsius. So the result is 5.5 degrees Celsius. Okay. So these are the exercise question answers from the chapter Heat. So see you soon with a new video. Till then, take care and bye.